Yo guys, welcome to my first YouTube tutorial on still a thing, still a brain rot kit. It's gonna be a short tutorial, just about like the tutorial beam, and yeah, like the tutorial beam from Still a Brain Rot. When you first play it, it'll say go buy a new beanie, Pixelini, and stuff like that. So it's basically a copy from this YouTuber. Hold on, let me show you. His YouTube channel is Twin Plays. It's this tutorial beam, but you have to do some scripting on it, which I know some of you guys don't like to do scripting. So I should do it for you guys, I'm gonna be kind, do it for you guys. So other than that, let me show you. I'm gonna put my Discord server link in the chat. Put my Discord server link. I already pinned it right here. The tutorial beam for this tutorial. So I'll put the link so you can get the file. So once you get the file, you're gonna come up here in the file top corner. You're gonna see import Roblox model. You're gonna get that tutorial beam. Boom. And once you got this, I misspelled it by, but you'll get this. You'll have the readme, which I'm just saying from the Twin Plays' YouTube channel. I fully scripted everything. All you have to do is regroup. So you get the server GUI. You go here, Control U, and then it should be here. Just like me, I already set it up, but let me delete this, the old one, so you can see as I'm going with you guys. You guys can see. If you want to see it, go to tutorial, the frame, go to text, go to visible, click visible. I have mine like this. If you want to change like the font, like the size, and the size is where the text size is right here, 14. You can change it, the font face. You can change it to, like, let's see, Fodoka one. Change it to these. Where's the one that I had? I like the old one that I had. Let's see. Oh, right here. Alright, here. Alright. Oh, after you click visible to see it, so you can, like, see it yourself. After you're done, go to visible right here in properties. Turn it off. Alright. Other than that, that's it for server GUI. Server script service. We're gonna change it here. And then we're gonna put in services. And then control U again. I already have it, the thing services, because I already set it up for doing it. It's already coded. Let me show you guys where it's coded. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it at? Oh no, it's not this one. It's not this one. That's what's supposed to be scripted. It's the. But after you put it there, it should be chilling. It should be chilling until this one, the replicated storage dot modules. I'm gonna go replicated storage. You're gonna do not go in, do not put in models inside configuration. You're just gonna go replicated storage models right here. You're gonna control U again. Tutorial service. I already have it again. I'm gonna show you where you have to script it, and I already scripted for you guys. See, it's fully scripted by me. Should work. Once again, it's a short little tutorial. I'm gonna delete this now. Do play or test. It should work, I'm pretty sure. Why doesn't it work? It should be able to work. Hold on. It doesn't pop up for me, but I'm pretty sure it's because I already did it. Hold on, let me get my alt account to do it. We're gonna do publish. Let's see. Publish the Roblox. Let me pause the video. Alright, guys, I'm on my alt right now. Just made a new alt account. It should work. Alright, guys, it does work. It does work. Once you do it, it's because I already did the tutorial, so it's not gonna pop up for me. But I'm on my alt account on mobile. It does work. For me, it says buy a guard. That's the guards in the game. But yeah, that's a tutorial. You know what? Matter of fact, I'll make another tutorial right now. A little special since it's my first time doing a tutorial. Alright, let me leave my mobile. Alright. A lot of you guys have been asking, how do I make my own characters? So let me show you guys. You're gonna go to Toolbox, or you can just go to Blender, you know. But let me put just okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see which one I don't have. I'll put Sonic because my other Sonic one is bugged, really bugged. Oh, or no, this is good. This is good. This is good. Oh, Control Z. If that ever happens to you, you do a mistake to do Control Z. We're gonna name this Sonic. Alright, let's see. It does not, if it does not have a primary part, or you basically find the humanoid paw. If it has one. Let's see, torso. Alright, you're gonna get the primary part, put it right here. If it doesn't have one, just make sure it's at the torso or the humanoid dread paw. I'm pretty sure you anchor this. I never used this one, so I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Let me show you guys an easier one. Let me show you guys an easier one. Let's see. Let's do this. Alright, if it has a humanoid, make sure the hip height has to be 2. If it's not 2, it's gonna like, it's gonna be like in the middle. It's like, if it's not 2, it's gonna be, I'll put it at the wrong spot. It's gonna be like basically, when it comes out from the red carpet, it's gonna be like this. We don't want that. Oops. Alright. Humanoid, make sure this is anchored. If it's not anchored, it's not gonna work. Let's put Doge. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it. I mean, spell it. I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. But yes, that's how you do it. For me, you're gonna keep Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Once you got it, you're gonna move it to, let's see, server storage. Move it to server storage, put things, and then, let's see, what should we have this as? We'll have it as a mythic. We'll have it as mythic. It's default. It's bubblegum one. I'm gonna grab the other one. For me, it's different. I'll make a tutorial on the new Still a Thing kit. Mythic. We're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna put it inside there. Alright. Let me pause the video for you guys. You guys, I'm just gonna do the same thing all over for everything. So boom. I'm gonna just pause the video and I'll come back when I'm done sorting them out. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm about to sort the last one. Mythic. Get the rainbow script. Boom. We got it. We're gonna put it inside Doge. Okay, after you're done sorting them out, we're gonna go. Let me show you guys. We're gonna go replicated storage, go down to configuration, models, and then things. Once we're at things, we can see all the stuff. It should be like the same. Let's see. This is a mythic. Let's see. We're gonna do copy that. Control C to copy, and we're gonna paste it with Control V. After that, we're gonna name it to the thing that we wanted to, like of the character. I named it this, Doge. You can change the price, the money per second. Make sure it's at the rarity that you put it inside the folder of. Okay, after that, we're gonna go test play. My game's loading, I'm sorry guys. Let's see if it spawns. Oh, I'm trying to find it. Oh, Doge. Look, see guys, it spawned. That's how you make your own characters. Doge.
Domer.
Oh, it says Domer. Sorry guys. I need to change the song ID. But should be in your base. Oh my god, what happened to his arms? Oh, I need to change the idle animations. But yeah, that's how you do it. I will show you guys how to make this whole thing, this whole map. Next tutorial should be coming Friday, the day before Valentine's Day. Show you guys how to make your own traits like this. Let's see, let's pick one. 4th of July. Show you guys how to do this. It's currently 12:33 a.m. Currently 12:33 a.m. PST for me. Posting a tutorial for you guys. And then I'll show you guys how to do this. I was actually having trouble with this. I figured out how to do it. Like that. Like a lot of us in the brain room. Turn that off. So sorry guys. I'm so sorry, but after that, yeah. I'll show you guys how to make your own traits, events, your UGI. The code UGI does not come with the set. I'll show you a lot of this. And that's coming out next tutorial. Show you guys how to make base skins, lucky blocks, everything. Also, guys, go support. This is the Discord server from our friend. Go support him. Let me show you guys. This is him. This is his Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. I'll put both of our Discords in the chat. Keep promoting my game a little bit. This is his game. Make sure to go play it. Steal a TikTok meme. This is my Discord. Put the tutorial beam like earlier, how I showed you guys working on new brain routes, memes, and everything. So, get ready guys. Coming new tutorial, maybe Thursday or Friday, or luckily tomorrow if we can. Show you guys how to do a lot. So, that's about it guys. I'm gonna go sleep, do my homework. I need to do my homework yet. So, yep. Bye. See you guys next time. Peace.